Pinamarket nila to that someone, a beginner, can also use. So that's something that interests me the most. That's why I'm really excited for this launch. Ito yung inaabangan ko sa mga events. Okay, so I'm currently driving right now. We're going to Angel Fields Sanctuary for the DJI Avata 2 launch. So yeah, I'm excited to meet the DJI Avata 2 and hopefully I can try and test it out, and also excited to meet a lot of content creators there as well. So thank you DJI Philippines for the invite. Currently in drive-thru ng Starbucks. So yeah, coffee.
Around a tumbler with cold water, or not too cold actually. I hear some. Hi, good afternoon. It's like super
Yes, hello. Yung vanilla sweet cream na lang na grande. Okay. Thank you. We are here. This is in Angel Fields Nature Sanctuary. So first time ko dito. Ganda. Ito yung inaabangan ko sa mga events. Ngayon na ba? Oo. Oh, pwede pa mamaya.
Pwede rin naman mamaya.
Baka masira eh, mamaya. So meron ditong DJI, meron siyang parang fly path. So ayan, and then pupunta sila doon, and then ikot sila.
Or we like to call Paolo Marasiga.
Hello.
Hi, Sir Paolo. Good evening. Welcome.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm all good and excited for this launch.
You're excited as well. Well, I'm actually getting excited for seeing such people here. So, sir, I have a question. As someone familiar with drones, how does DJI Avata compare to other models we've seen?
Well, actually, I'm a beginner in drones. But nakikita ko na yung mga previous models, and as a beginner, I think the good thing about the DJI Avata 2 is that parang binamarket nila to that someone, a beginner, can also use. So that's something that interests me the most. That's why I'm really excited for this launch.
Wow, that's really nice to hear, sir. No? That it's very easy to use, and yun parang hindi ka na overwhelmed with all the technology.
Yep.
Wow, I'm also excited for this one because maybe even me, I can control the DJI too, right?
Yes.
Alright, so thank you very much, sir, for your time, and please enjoy your stay here. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so
Sabi
much.
sa'yo,
And of course, you may also enjoy our
So here we are outside. Meron kaming parang test the drone, parang ganun. So we're just waiting for our turn, and yeah, so excited to try and test it out. See, there, oh, nice. Tapos na ako mag-test kasi hindi ko na-video yung sarili ko. So mamaya check natin if kaya pa mag-try. Siyempre give chance to others naman to try and test it out. So galing nung ginawa ni DJI dito. So So that's it. That's the end of the DJI Avata 2 launch. So hopefully I can unbox it on my channel. So please subscribe down below. Talk to you soon.